You're the strong one, the one who keeps going, the one who smiles when no one sees the storm. But inside, there's a quiet ache. You wonder if you're seen, if you're valuable, if you're enough, because the world told you your worth comes from what you do or how well you do it. And if you're being honest, you've been exhausted trying to earn what God already gave you. As always, I am not fluent in the Hebrew language. I honor the sacred language of Scripture deeply, and I'm learning as I go. If you notice any mispronunciations, I ask for your grace and continued prayers as I grow in wisdom and understanding. This isn't just tiredness, it's identity trauma. You've been performing, pleasing, hiding. You second guess your words, your beauty, your calling. You've been praised for being strong while silently breaking. And the worst part, you thought it was your fault. You were created for kavod, glory, divine weight, holy value. But somewhere along the way, you believed the lie that you were too much or not enough. And now you're surviving when God called you to be sacred. I remember standing in the mirror, whispering apologies for just being me. But when the pain pushed me into scripture, God reintroduced me to myself. He showed me that Havad wasn't just a word, it was my birthright. In Hebrew, Havad means glory, weight, value. Isaiah 43:4 says, "You are precious in my eyes, and I love you." This isn't empty affirmation. This is your divine DNA. You don't have to earn worth, you have to return it. I want to share with you something I call the daily reclaim. Write down 3 lies you have believed about yourself. Then confront each one with scripture. Speak this daily affirmation with emotion. I am Chavad. I am sacred. I am seen. Say it 3 times a day for 21 days to develop strong habits of truth based self talk. Journal each day where you've noticed growth, even small moments. Surround yourself with voices that mirror your worth, not distort it. This won't happen overnight because healing is holy, but it takes time. Be patient with yourself, be intentional, and be kind to yourself. Here's what I want you to do: start implementing these truths into your day. Watch the shifts in how you think, speak, and feel. Document it, write it, voice record it, or share it. Then you send me your testimony or comment below. Tell me how God is restoring your sacred self. Download today's identity guide at studyvirtuousdesign.com. Share this with someone who's forgotten how loved she is. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe and journey with me from scroll to soul, from word to walk. This is Virtuous Design.